ដើមកំណើតនៃអរិយធម៌របស់យើងមិនបានកើតឡើងត្រឹមតែ200-300ឆ្នាំមុននោះទេវាបានចាប់ផ្ដើមមុនអរិយធម៌របស់លោកខាងលិចដ៏ល្បីល្បាញនៅជុំវិញភពផែនដីទៅទៀតបុព្វបុរសរបស់យើងគឺជាសិល្បករអ្នកបង្កើតអ្នករចនាស្ថាបត្យករនិងវិស្វករដែលអាចគ្រប់គ្រងទឹកដើម្បីចិញ្ចឹមនិងថែទាំប្រជាជនជាច្រើនសតវត្សរ៍មកហើយ
Canadia Bank wishes to extend our deepest appreciation to the Asian banker for awarding Canadia Bank for the second consecutive year as the best retail bank in Cambodia for 2021. This is a real testament of our customer centricity as well as the value we bring to all our community as well as our customers, in particular our retail and consumer customers. For 2021, this award holds an even more special place for Canadia Bank as we are celebrating our 30th anniversary in Cambodia. And as a local commercial bank, as one of the largest local commercial banks in Cambodia, we are certainly committed to continue to invest in both technology as well as our people to bring the best value to all our customers. Thank you.
Despite economic uncertainty surrounding COVID-19 outbreak in Cambodia, Canadia Bank consumer loan portfolio have held outstanding growth at 45% for 2 consecutive years from 2018 to 2020. Total loan portfolio increased from $886 million in 2020 from $608 million in 2019, represent 20% of total loan portfolio bank-wide and 9% of consumer outstanding balance industry-wide. We want to say thank you again to the Asian banker for the recognitions of our achievements, efforts, commitment in bringing the best banking service to our retail customers in Cambodia.